You say you love them, but do they feel safe with you? Because love without trust is just emotional roulette. Here's how to build unbreakable trust, the kind that doesn't shatter when things get hard. Trust isn't just about honesty, it's about emotional safety. It's knowing that your heart is safe in someone else's hands, even when you're vulnerable. Here's how to build unbreakable trust in any relationship and protect what truly matters. 1. Consistency over promises. Trust doesn't grow from big declarations. It grows from showing up every day. A good morning text. A check-in when you said you would. Keeping the small promises builds the big ones. Consistency builds security. Security builds trust. 2. Communicate, even when it's hard. Don't hide things to keep the peace. Silence creates distance. Real trust grows when you can be honest, especially when it's uncomfortable. Say, I messed up. I felt jealous. I need space right now. Vulnerability isn't weakness. It's where real intimacy begins. 3. Never use their vulnerability against them. If they opened up about a childhood wound, a fear, a trauma, protect it like it's sacred. Trust dies the moment their pain becomes your weapon. And once it's broken, it's not easily rebuilt. 4. Transparency without control. Let them look through your phone. It's not because they don't trust you, but because you've created a space where there's nothing to hide. Trust is openness. It's not, let me spy on you. It's I trust you so much, I don't need to. 5. Be patient with their healing. Not everyone comes into love with a clean slate. Some carry scars, walls, betrayals from the past. If they flinch at closeness, don't take it personally, take it patiently. Sometimes, the best way to build trust is to wait for their heart to feel safe. Love isn't just about passion, it's about peace. It's the kind of peace that says, I'm safe here, I'm seen here, I'm home here. Comment, real love needs trust if this resonated with you. Subscribe to Raw Love Psychology for more deep love advice, healing content, and relationship truths.